In this video you will learn how to use the data type geography in Microsoft Excel. Geography is a new data type called rich data type. It's part of the new set of data types that Excel is introducing that can retrieve data from the internet. Let's get started. For this example, I will list several cities and find information like population, the name, or the country where they are located and the current mayor of the city. Normally we would have to do research online and find all that information. The information we would find would only be as good as the date of the research. A year from now the population number will change, the mayor may be different, we would have to research it again. Let's add these cities: Toronto, Los Angeles, Paris, Frankfurt, and New York. Select these values. Go to the Data tab and select Data Type Geography. You can see the description of the data type when you hover over it. It tells you that this data is retrieved from the web and it's powered by the Bing search engine. Notice the small icon that indicates the data is now a rich data type. Click on the plus sign, and notice how you have now a lot of additional rich data information available. Information like population, country, longitude, latitude, time zone, liters, and many more. The result is a formula that retrieves information from the web, and like a formula, you just drag it down to fill up the rest of the cells for the entire list of cities. This data now can be refreshed using the refresh button anytime. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified when a new video is published on this channel. Thank you for watching.